Blood vessels. In the last video, we talked about the heart. Now we will discuss about the second part of the circulatory system, which is the blood vessels. Blood vessels are channels or pipelines that carry blood throughout your body and work as a bridge between the heart and our body. There is a big network of blood vessels that spreads out throughout our body and carry nutrient and oxygen-rich blood to every single part of our body. In this video, we will discuss thoroughly about the blood vessels and their working. Blood vessels are divided in 3 types. The first ones are the arteries, which always carry the blood away from heart towards body. The second ones are the veins, which carry the blood towards heart from the body. And the third ones are the capillaries, which are thinner in diameter and form the connection between arteries and veins. And also the capillaries are responsible for the exchange of nutrients or other materials between blood and tissue cells. There is an interesting fact about these arteries and veins, and the fact is, there is one artery which carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs, and that is the pulmonary artery, and the second one is a vein, which carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart, named as the pulmonary vein. Let's discuss about the structure of the blood vessels. To get to the function of anything, we must need to know about its structure first. The structure of blood vessels is basically composed of 3 layers, and we are going to explore them going from inside to outside sequence. Number 1 is the endothelial tissue, which forms the internal lining and lumen which contains blood. Number 2 is the smooth muscle tissue, which controls the tone of blood vessels like contraction and relaxation of the vessels. And the last one is the connective tissue layer, which forms the external lining and helps to keep the vessels in place. There are 2 major and largest arteries and veins, which we name as the aorta and the vena cava. Both of them are connected directly to heart. Now we talk about the features or the functions of blood vessels. Blood vessels circulate the blood through whole body. Capillaries makes the exchange of gases and nutrients possible between the blood and tissues. They carry oxygen and nutrients along with blood to every part of the body. And because of this network of vessels throughout the body, the temperature of our body is maintained throughout every part of it. We have covered almost everything about the blood vessels, and now I will tell you an interesting fact about these vessels. For example, if we take out all the blood vessels from a normal human and place them in a straight line, they would be almost 60,000 miles long. And according to NASA, your blood vessels could circle the globe more than twice. If you find the video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and get in touch for more educational videos and content.